want to play Highlife guitar, there are certain chords you need to learn. I'm going to teach you some important Highlife chords you can't ignore. I'm going to teach you some of these chords in the key of C. In case you are not able to figure out my fingers here, don't worry. I will represent the notes on the neck diagram so you don't have to worry. The standard chord sequences are Do, C, G minor, E minor, F, G, A minor, B, diminished seventh, back to C. These are standard chord progressions you need to know. And when we come to Palm 1 guitar style, we decorate the chords a little. I'm going to show you what we play on every degree, from the 1st to the 7th degree. So on our chord 1, we will usually add the pinky on the 3rd string in the 3rd fret position to get the dominant 7. You can't play Palm 1 without learning a dominant 7 chord. Yes. And sometimes you release the 3rd finger from the 5th to the top, 6th to the 6th fret. We use that often. Sometimes that one precedes the dominant 7 chord. And on the first one too, you have to learn the arming cadence. We add the pinky to the 4th. On chord 2, which is a D minor, you need to learn 8 minor 7th chord. Or sometimes without the 1st. On chord 3, you need either the minor itself or the diminished 7th. So this becomes E diminished 7th. E diminished 7th chord. And sometimes on the chord 3, we change from a minor to a major or a dominant 7th. And that changes, that gives the Palm 1 a very beautiful structure. So this way, you can learn this shape. Before we go to chord 4. On chord 4, you need F major, either the full chord or the half chord, and we usually place the thumb here. Either a broken chord with a thumb placed on the 6th this way, or a full chord. And you need to know the 6th, the chord 4, the 6th chord too. If you add the 6, you can use it in place of either F or D minor because of the 6th. Sometimes on chord 4, you can move the root from there to add it together. So you only add one note to get the feel. From 4 we go to 5, and the 5 is always a dominant, the traditional G chord or the dominant 7th this way, or this. Take note of this shape. You don't have to play the open 1st string. You don't have to add the open 1st string. Or you can sometimes bar it this way, the 7 this way, and now play the 13th in order to alter it a little, in order to introduce some sort of dissonances into the song. Then on the chord 6, you can play the traditional A minor chord, or you play the dominant 7th. You can play the traditional A minor chord, the A minor 7th. But most often we use the dominant A chord, the A dominant 7th chord, this way or this way. And when you add just one note on the 5th string at the 1st fret position, you'll be getting a diminished sound. Okay. Then on chord 7, you play either the minor 7 flat 5, B minor 7 flat 5, or B diminished 7th. These are the options you have. So on chord 1, we have what you can play on chord 2, chord 3 to chord 7. And for all the others that I didn't mention, for what between chord 1 and 2, like between 5 and 6, and you can play diminished 7 chords in between them. I mean, where we have the D, the tone, with the chords, you can play a diminished 7 chord between them, because you use the diminished 7 chords as passing chords. So if you want to move from a C to a D minor, you can C, then in between C and D, you have the D, you play a diminished 7 chord. So C, a C sharp diminished 7 to a D. If I want to go to E minor, I can play a D sharp diminished 7 to an E minor. To F. If I want to go to a sol, I'll play F sharp diminished 7 to. So these are things you need to know. Those other chords, apart from the 7, the other ones in between, you can represent all the shape with a diminished shape. These are very important chords you need to know. Some chords will readily usher you into the high life mode. I will give you these chords, and when I finish, I will demonstrate the use of these chords in the key of D on a popular Ghanaian song, Oyadeye. So I'm going to play it very slowly. I'm not going to talk too much. Just take your time and play it. One of my favorite old Ghanaian movies is I Told You So, I remember. And among the songs that made me love this movie was one titled Oyadeye. name is Pastor George Mensa, and you know me as Spratz. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is the best time to do it. And in case you are looking for a one-on-one Zoom lesson with me, please pick the numbers scrolling and let's do it. And if you do subscribe, don't forget to press on the notification bell. So the moment we upload any new video, you don't miss it. You get it straight away. This is the best platform for getting the best tuition, the best staff so far as African guitar lessons are concerned. You can go through some of our comments and check things for yourself. People are really benefiting. So hey, describe our channel to others. Don't forget to leave your comments. Please, your comments are very important. Like, share, and tell others about this.